Welcome, and in this video, I'll share with you how to use the snipping tool. It doesn't matter whether you're a teacher or a student and need to screenshot a section or a segment from an article. This video is going to help you out. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to your search bar like this and search for the snipping tool. So this is the snipping tool. Go ahead and open it. Now you get this sort of a floating bar or a floating home page like this. This is the home page for the snipping tool. And here's a crucial tip to consider. If you're going to use the snipping tool often than usual, go ahead and pin it to your task bar. So this makes it easily accessible whenever you want to snip off some section of an article or a blog post. So after you've done that, let's go ahead and click on New, since we are going to snip off the section of an article. But first of all, you want to make sure you're currently viewing this portion of the article you want to snip. So I think I'm going to snip off this section. So go ahead and bring back the menu. So click on the New, and you should notice this plus sign. It means wherever you click on it, you initiate the snipping process. So once you have all the section covered, go ahead and release it. Now it's already snipped off the section. You can do some simple editing like highlighting the text. So go ahead and select this. If it's on this, go ahead and select this. Now you can begin highlighting the text. You can also change the brush size, the color of the highlighter, just like this, and you're good to go. And if you need to erase any section, you can easily do that like that. Now let's go ahead and save the snipped image or the screenshotted image. I already created a folder for any snipped image, so I'll save it right here. And that's how you use the snipping tool on your Windows laptop. Whether you're using Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, I believe the steps should be similar. So thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel because there will be a lot of informative videos like this. Also like the video. It helps it reach out to more viewers. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.